Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your text messages on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, make sure that your Redmi Watch 4 is connected to the phone via Bluetooth and via Mi Fitness app. Now, when you receive text messages, the notification will appear on your screen. Just like this. You can tap Dismiss, or you can tap Digital Crown, swipe down, and now swipe to the left and delete this message. Now, when you receive emoji, you will not be able to see them, as you can see. You can dismiss this message as before. Now, when you receive photos, for example, you cannot see them, but you'll see the notification that you have received one image. You can also dismiss it or swipe to the left to delete. But unfortunately, if you tap on the message, you cannot go directly in the app, you can do it only via phone. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.